Okay, so how do you know when it's time to change the blades on your ride-on mower? If you look over here, there's some high spots here. If you look over here, there's some high spots here. So the blades are worn out because you have one blade here, another blade here, and another blade spinning here. So the ends of the blades are actually worn out to the point where the blades no longer cut these parts of the lawn. So that causes little lines throughout the lawn. So if you look, you can see other lines. So I purchased the blades on Amazon and I'm going to swap them out. Okay, so today I'm going to change the blades on this 48-inch deck, and you need 3 blades. So here they are. I purchased them on Amazon through a third-party seller, and they came yesterday. So the first thing I have to do is remove the deck from the mower. So to do so, you need to disconnect this to loosen the belt, and then you need to disconnect this arm, and then there's one in front which is right here, and then you need to remove this one down here. Alright, and on the other side you have 2 more, the middle one there and the one in the back. So there's 5 points you need to remove, and you need to take the belt off the front, which I can do now. There we go. Alright, then I'm going to pull the deck out and then flip it over. Oh yeah, you also need to lower this from the highest position or whatever position you're in all the way to the bottom. Okay, on the other side there's also this, which is keeps the deck aligned in the back. So you also need to remove this. So there's a total of 6 of them you need to remove. When you take them off, what I do, I just put the back one here, put the middle one there, and the front one there. So I'm going to lay them out just like that. This one I'm going to put the one in the back here. Then I'm going to put the next one right next to it, and then the front one I'm going to put here. So that way I put them all back in the order in which I took them out. Okay, so I yanked on the deck and that rod came out. So I just put it aside. Just remember to put it back on when you're putting it back together. So all I need to do is to go on the other side and pull the deck out. You need to make sure this wheel clears the front wheels. So you're going to need to finagle it, move it a bit to get it out. So let's see. Okay, so it's out. So now the next thing to do is to flip it over. And look at these. So if you see from the picture I'm going to show, when cutting the lawn, there was an area that the lawn was not being cut. Let me show you what one of the blades look like. So that's the difference. This one is even worse. Yeah, look at that. Alright, I tend to have to cut in quite sandy areas. So this is what happens. Typically I change the blades once a year, but this year I guess there was more cutting to be done in the sandy areas, so this is what happened. I have to change these out. So I took a piece of wood and jammed it so the blade wouldn't turn. Then I took a 5/8 socket with a bar, and you take the blade off. Check the direction the blade is in. So when you put the replacement on, you put it the right way. Alright, this one has serrated edges, so it's a mulching feature. So there we go. Look at the difference. While you're here, take the opportunity to clean under here. Tighten them up, all right? And you do that for the other two. All right, and then assembly, you know, inspect everything, make sure everything looks okay. See over here, this is bent, so I'm going to have to adjust this one. As you can see, it's touching here. This needs to be moved up. So probably take the wood and just angle it up. All right, so yeah, you put the other two on, then flip the deck over after you clean it out, slide it back in, and you just put everything back together and then test it. All right, so I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, let me know, and like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.